Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Ken. I'm going to be showing you a lifting scenario that depicts a good lifting operation and also a bad one. Okay, now in this video, please pay attention to everything you're going to be saying. Write your questions down. At the end of the video, I'm going to be answering those questions. Now, from what you saw from the video, you could see what materials beneath the load that was being lifted. There was the shackle was not secure with safety pin. The lashes was damaged. No, there was no clear-cut communication between the riggers and the crane operator. There was high level of distraction, so there was total lack of concentration from the arm of the riggers. As you saw from the video, materials was not stacked properly. The lifting gears were not inspected prior to lifting operation. The crane lifted at a very high speed, so these were the things the outline points of things that went wrong from this video. Now we're going to be discussing what would have been done better to prevent this incident. One of them is pre-inspection. If that was done, they would have seen that there was material beneath the load that was being lifted. And the second is the safety pin must be secured at all time. The lashes must be in good condition. From what we saw from the video, the lashes was not in good condition, and there was no clear communication. But from the corrective arm of the video you saw, you could see that later there was a walkie-talkie that was being used by the rigger at the top deck. Now, one of the significant points in this video is lack of concentration. There was total distraction from the rigger at the top deck and also those at the down deck. So at all time, everyone that are involved in lifting operation must have 100% concentration, because lifting operation is a very critical and a very crucial one. So any little mistake can damage or cause harm to anyone, anything, or even damage the equipment or materials that are being lifted. Lifting gears also must be inspected. Lifting gears have to be inspected. So it is very crucial that prior to lifting operation, all the lifting gears are inspected. The third party certificate, the reference number correspond with the third party, the number on the third party certificate, showing that this lifting gear is inspected by third party and also is valid. So these points are very crucial for every lifting operation. And also, apart from that, there should be visual inspection, looking at the materials. Is there distortion, is there kinking in any of those lifting equipment, lifting gears? If there is any form of kinking, any form of distortion, you remove those lifting gears and change them immediately. Do not use any lifting gears that is damaged. So these are the learning points from this video. And crane operator, the crane operator lifted at a very high speed, so it is very important of lifting operation. Crane operator must not move at a very high speed. Most the base or the platform, at least 50 centimeters, he has to move it and ensure that everything is balanced and everything is okay before moving on. So as a lifting personnel, HSE officer on site and in charge of the operation, and also the lifting supervisors, lifting engineers, supervisors on site, riggers, it is very important to ensure that everyone in the line of fire, everyone on duty, have 100% concentration. From the video you could see the was distracted, so you should ensure that that is avoided. There must be 100% concentration in course of the lifting operation. And also, one must stay under a suspended load or work under a suspended load. It is very important. So in course of the lifting operation, everyone in the line of fire must leave. Okay, you could see that the impact of the incident that happened was not just to the property, was not just to the people that were on the line of fire. Also, the marine mammals were also affected. They will die of asphyxiation as a result of the chemical that was induced to their system. Everything has to be factored in. Everyone has to be factored in. The marine mammals, the properties, the personnel, everything has to be factored in. So I hope you have learned something today. Please drop us your comments, ensure you like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for joining us today. Have a nice day ahead.